Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to cancel subscription on Shopify. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, log into your Shopify admin panel and go to settings and select plan. So right now I'm using trial version, so here we can see the deactivate trial option here. And if you are a plus user or if you are a premium user, then here you will get the cancellation plan option. So all you have to need, just you have to click on cancellation plan, and you have to select a reason why you are unsubscribing Shopify and click on continue. And now you have to enter your Shopify login password, and then you have to click on unsubscribe or deactivate now. And this was the way we can unsubscribe Shopify website. If you think to see more Shopify videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.